Hi there, you're watching a tutorial video for the YouTube subtitle scraper. You can find YouTube videos using either providing the URL of the video you want to scrape for subtitles, or you can provide a keyword and SEO Content Machine will then search YouTube for videos matching that keyword. To help you find URLs, you can use the scrape videos feature here. So here's one I ran before for cat. I can clear my selection. I can select everything on the page. And then I can click on copy URLs and then close the modal. And then I can paste it. So here are 15 videos I want to process and download subtitles for. Some videos have multiple different languages. So I'm going to select English. Here's your article string. So this controls the output. So you have two macros. You have title and content used already. Then you have the URL of the video and you have the current keyword. So what this will do is it will download the subtitles and it will save it with the video title as a H1, and the subtitle will be placed here in the content macro. You can wrap each line using tags, so it's set up so that on run you'll surround it using paragraph tags. There's Regex replace, so if there's any content on the subtitle you want to replace with your own words, you can do that here. I'll give you an example where it says cat. Can replace it so it says dog. I can apply a rewriter to the subtitle content. Here are your task settings, such as your task name, file name string, and a saved location. Like all tasks, you can schedule them and also do a chain task. I'm going to click on run. Once the task is run, you can review the log. I noticed that some videos actually don't have subtitles, so there's nothing to download. There are some completed items. And to preview the content for those, I just go down to the preview article button, click on that, and here is my new content. I get the original content in plain text on the left hand side, and then I get the actual HTML preview on the right hand side. If you have any questions about what you've seen today, you can reach out to me at seocontentmachine.com.